few nights ago, I was in the kitchen making dinner for my mom and I and my dad, but because I was making tuna crudo, and she asked me a question. What makes you happy? And I stopped to think about that. But now I know the answer. Life itself brings me joy. I love my parents, I love making content, I love reading, I enjoy my training sessions, and I honestly think I'm the happiest I've ever been. And most importantly, I feel fulfilled. And I feel like I have a rich and meaningful purpose in life. Now I know what you're thinking. How? It's partially because I spend so much time with myself. I stopped and appreciate small things. Ever since I started meditating and stopped eating junk food and stopped doing all these bad habits that were holding me back, life has felt like a dream almost. And I hope my parents watch this video because I love them and I need them to know that. I appreciate everything they've done for me, everywhere they've taken me, all the chances they've given me. And something you should take away from this video is to go tell your parents you love them. Because although you may not be rich, you might not have the body you want, you might not have the car or house you want, you're already rich. You're rich with the presence of others, especially your parents. And that's something that I think we all need to be a little bit more grateful for. And something you should not take for granted. Because something that is inevitable is that they will eventually pass away. That's one of the only things that's guaranteed in this life. Death, and yeah, that's like the only thing that's guaranteed in this life. And I know that's sad, and I know I shouldn't be talking about that right now, considering I am 14 and they're almost in their 50s, but it will eventually happen. It could happen to them while they're driving to work, or a heart attack could happen at any time. You need to let them know how grateful you are while they're here. You can't let it be too late. And that's why I hope my parents see this video without me telling them to watch this video, although I know that should be my responsibility to show them this video. But Mom, Dad, I love you guys. And that's all. Thanks for watching.